Hi everyone. Welcome to week 3. Today is Tuesday, June 9th. This week we are going to be taking a look at statehood for Colorado and how that process was very contentious, some of the events that took place that kind of stalled statehood, such as the Sand Creek Massacre. So, one of the things that I really want you to take a look at this week are those primary sources on the Sand Creek Massacre. These are sources that come straight from the horse's mouth, so to speak. You are going to read perspectives from John Shivington himself, Territorial Governor John Evans, and a few others who were involved in the massacre itself. So definitely take a close look at those and really focus in on what they were saying happened and why they did what they did. It will really give you a unique perspective to this tragic event in our own state's history. Also, take a look at the Sand Creek Massacre video. Also, take a look at the state constitution video. It will show you and tell you why becoming a state was kind of difficult in the beginning for Coloradans, but why it was also so important to do it. This week you have just one discussion about statehood, and then your preliminary bibliographies are also due on Monday. Tomorrow I will post some links to places where you can find some sources, some primary sources and some secondary sources, as well as scholarly journal articles, which is what you are going to need for your bibliography. So take a look at those tomorrow when I post them if you don't already have sources in mind. I will be taking a look at your topic proposals this week. I will get feedback to you by Friday, if not sooner. I'm actually hoping to get those done either today or tomorrow. That way I can help guide you in a direction on where to go with your research. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me. You guys did great last week. I am so proud of all of you. You guys are doing so great with this online course. So keep up the good work, and I will see you and talk to you all soon. Bye.